Here's another friendly tip from Nelson Construction and Renovations. Today we're going to talk about how to pick the right countertops. I'm Dominique Nelson from Nelson Construction and Renovations. There's a lot of choices to make when it comes to countertops, especially in the kitchen, where nowadays everything's open floor plan. You've got those big islands, you've got a lot of countertop space there. So what material do you choose? It's going to depend on a variety of factors. Not only the aesthetic and what look you're going for and what the style of your home is, but also how's that space going to be used? Do you have children? Do you do a lot of entertaining? Is there going to be a lot of traffic? Do you do a lot of cooking, or is it more just for show? So I'm going to go over a lot of the different materials that we use on our projects so you can make the right choice for you and your family. So the first material, which seems to be the most popular at the moment, is quartz. Quartz is a man-made material. It's a mixture of quartz, a stone, with resins, and it creates a very uniform look. Because it's man-made, there's a huge variety in terms of color, texture, styles. They've got veining, they can make it look almost like marble, like granite. It's really developed quite a bit in the last few years. And what's great about quartz is that it's very durable. It's not as prone to etching and staining as marble. And so it's really good for high traffic areas if you have children, if you're gonna be doing a lot of cutting and things like that. So there's a wide variety of products on the market. These samples are from Handstone Quartz. You can look them up online. And as you can see, they have some veining. They've got a lot of white with veining. You can even get some that are just solid white. There's this beautiful slate look and a lot of different colors. And you can see the stone in these samples here. This is called Pompeii Quartz. You can also check them out online. Another wide variety. They've got honed and polished. And then this is a product called Cambria. I think this would look great in a restaurant or just a really stunning showpiece island. But you can see a lot of the stones and the quartz in there, and it's quite a work of art. So this is the most popular countertop right now in our area. It seems like every project we've done in the last 2 years, they've only requested quartz. Now the thing with quartz is it is stain resistant, but it's not stain proof. So you do want to take caution. You do want to use a cutting board. Don't just cut directly on it. Don't leave wine stains on it, wine spills on it for a long time, mustard, that kind of thing. So you do want to take care with those countertops, and also make sure that you're using a cleaning agent that isn't too caustic and isn't going to wear away that sealer. The next material is marble. Marble is my personal favorite. It's very natural. It's a stone. The thing about marble is it's not for everyone. It is prone to etching. It is prone to staining, but that is part of its charm. And lovers of marble will tell you that every scratch, every wine stain tells the tale of the family that lived there. It tells a story. If you can envision an Italian grandma in Italy, baking pizza and rolling out the pizza dough right on the marble slab, that tells you the story of marble. There's a variety of different kinds, and I recommend, if you do want to go with marble, go to a stone yard and select the piece that you fall in love with. Carrara marble is a good middle of the road, sort of neutral choice. It has gray veining on a white slab. There's also, this is a Calacatta marble, which has a lot of gold in it, which can be a little bit pricier, but worth it if you're really going for a luxury look. We've used marble in a lot of our historic homes, a lot of traditional homes, but really it can be used in anything, and it is timeless. So I highly recommend it if you are okay with that sort of weathered patina. There's two different ways of finishing it, honed and polished. Polished is exactly what it means. It's got that sheen to it because it's been polished. Honed is where they stopped the process right before the polishing, so it's got more of a matte finish to it. And although that one doesn't show the etching as much because it is matte, it is more prone to stains because it doesn't have that final layer there. So if you're worried about, wine stains and mustard stains and that kind of thing, then you would want to get more of a polished look. Another beautiful thing you can do with your design is to bring the marble countertop up into your backsplash. This is just a sample, so it only goes up a few inches, but you can bring it all the way up to your cabinets, or if you have open shelving, that looks fantastic. If you've got a particularly bold, veined slab of marble and it comes up behind the open shelving, that looks absolutely fantastic. But the thing that I love about marble is that it is timeless. It will never go out of style, in my personal opinion. So you can't go wrong choosing marble for your kitchen. And another countertop material that's very popular is concrete, which is what we have here in our conference room at Nelson Construction. The beautiful thing about concrete is it's completely customizable. You can pour it in any shape, any texture, any pigment. You can put company logos in it. On this particular piece, we had to cast it in 3 pieces because the size was so large. So we created this river rock look to cover up the seams. You can cast it in place. There's a vast array of things you can do with concrete, and believe it or not, it's very popular in kitchens, especially for modern industrial contemporary looks. It's not going to be as uniform as, say, quartz, but that's the look that people love. They love that industrial, rugged look. This particular conference table was designed and created by my husband, and along with a lot of the desks in our office, which you can see they display our logo, and they have a variety of different edges, and so there's just a lot you can do with concrete, and it is quite popular in kitchens. The next material I just want to touch on briefly is granite. We've used granite once in a while. It doesn't seem to be as popular nowadays as it once was. It is the most durable material, so if that's what you're going for, then I do recommend granite. Some people do have the consideration that it might emit a little bit of radiation just because of where it comes from in the earth. You'd have to do a little more research on that to see if that was a factor. But it is a stone, it's natural, and it has some fantastic variety on veining and can be very bold. Would look great, you know, on a backsplash behind some open shelving, and particularly on a kitchen island, you know, to have that beautiful slab of granite is really eye-catching and would make it a real centerpiece in your kitchen. And the other material you can use, especially if you are very tight on your budget, is wood. You could go with a butcher block, or you can even take, we've done a few projects where we've used a reclaimed wood. On this particular project, which was a craftsman style home that we built from the ground up on the Intercoastal in Clearwater, you can see that the bar area has this beautiful piece of walnut, which was a piece of reclaimed wood that we refinished and polished up, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. You just need to get the right kind of food grade sealers to make it ready for the kitchen, but wood can be also a very beautiful, timeless look. So I hope I was able to help guide you on making the right choices when it comes to your countertops in your kitchen or your bathroom. If you like this video, please click like. And if you'd like to see more videos from us, please hit the subscribe button. We're going to try to do more homeowner videos so that we can help you make the right choice when it comes to the design and the construction of your home. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.